Hello guys, so I was working on hand sign recognition using CNN and transfer learning. So I was just going through the American Sign Language dataset. We have different 25 classes over here. So this is quite basic. We can actually find out different hand gestures and print that out, and then I also checked whether a sequence of hand gestures make a complete sentence or not using the models. And I also use transfer learning to see whether we can identify the hand signs or not. So we can find out hand signs over here, fist, down, moved, and all that stuff. And it came into my mind, why can't we use it to control a presentation or do something more advanced? So I looked at it, and using MediaPipe and CVZone, we can have this library called hand detector, and it is going to be helpful for us to manipulate through a presentation. So for the presentation, I have these files available, and all of these files are going to be into my presentation, and I will show you how we can use different hand gestures to move on the presentation, draw on the presentation, remove something, change the slides, and all that stuff. So now let's just run it first. We are going to run it and see how it's going to work. So you can see that the presentation is open. So if I move two fingers, I can see a pointer moving on the image. And if I have two hands and I try to find it out, only one hand is available. I set it up in the background. We have the right hand as well and the left hand as well. So using this, we can also, using a single finger, we can draw on the presentation. Using three fingers and pointing it down would actually remove, you can see it is removing the drawings that we done. And then we can use different hand signs like this to, it takes a little time, but we can use it to change the screen as well. So it's a little, remember you have to make the right hand gesture for this. So it's gonna, you see it changed. So yeah, this is it about the project. If I move my hands together, it will not do anything. You can definitely make it a little more better, and you can also see that there are different signs as well. You can move the cursor here, you can draw anything you want, you can use it again. So it's quite a fun project. You can definitely use it. Thanks again.